Hi everyone, my name is Beth and I am the Director of Exercise and Nutrition here at the Gathering Place. With COVID-19 in our neighborhood, we can't currently have you come into our home, so we want to bring some of our nutrition information into your home. Over the next few weeks, we'll be sharing various recipes and tips on how to stay as healthy as you can in your nutrition plan during these trying times. Today, I want to share with you what I call fast food. Now, let me preface this. Every recipe we share over the next few weeks, no one should ever feel like they have to run out and purchase those ingredients. All of the recipes we will be sharing with you will have ingredients. Most of us have some of these on hand. And if you don't have a particular ingredient on hand, all of the ingredients can easily be substituted. So, I'm thinking this is a time we might be spending time outside, trying to get some exercise in nature, kids are at home, and it might be nice to do something together as a family. And this recipe is called peanut butter and jelly bites. Very easy to make, and kids love to get their hands in here. And it's a no-bake recipe, so really pretty much you can eat as you go. This recipe calls for putting together peanut butter and dates, and oats, a little cinnamon, flaxseed, coconut, and vanilla, and it looks a little bit like this in your food processor. So I'm going to add my dates, my oats, peanut butter, and if somebody says, oh, what, I don't have any dates, how am I going to make this? Super simple. You just add a little more peanut butter and then put in some honey or maple syrup. You basically need something sticky to hold those oats to the peanut butter. So dig in that pantry and see what you have. You can also add other things. Like I know in my family, everybody loves to have a little chocolate. You can throw chocolate in this as well. You can throw some hemp seeds if you have that on hand for a little extra protein boost, or any other nuts and seeds. So once I have this in my food processor, I'm going to blend it up. So I've blended this up in my food processor, and now this turns into this. How do I know if it's sticky enough? Well, I'm just going to take a little bit in my hand and make sure it all holds together. Next step, I'm going to take my nice sticky ball and I'm going to just roll it out, and I'm going to make it as flat as I can. Now, if you've got kids at home and lots of hands in here, clean hands mind you, you can just go ahead in here and use your own hands to just flatten, and basically you want to make a disc. So you decide how you want to do this. Have each kid make a flat pancake or roll it on out. In this case, I rolled it out, and then dig in your pantry for your favorite jam or jelly. What do you have on hand? I actually found a peach pecan preserve. I didn't know I even had it in my pantry. So, great use of items. I pulled it out. This recipe calls for us to freeze the jam or jelly before you put it in. This is a pretty thick jam, so no need to freeze. I put a dollop of the jam in the side of my little disc, and then I fold it over just like this, and I pinch the sides. Now, I know these are called peanut butter and jelly bites. Sometimes kids like it just like that because it looks like a fortune cookie. You can keep it like that, eat it right away, or you can roll it into a nice little ball. And something extra I did, because I happen to have a lot of extra nuts on hand right now, I just toasted some pecans and I simply roll it in the pecans, and there you have it. A nice little peanut butter and jelly energy bite. Any jelly can go inside, any jam. Just remember, if it's a runny jelly, to freeze it ahead of time. I like to throw, once I make my batch, I throw it all in the freezer in a freezer bag and let it harden up so they don't stick together. They travel well, they pack well, and best of all, they taste delicious. So if you'd like more information about these recipes and maybe reaching out during this time to talk to Stephanie or myself about your specific nutrition concerns, please go to touchbycancer.org. Thanks so much.